In this video, we are going to show you how to create a presentation using flying animation. It looks great and adds a great touch to your presentation. So, without wasting time, let's start the video. Click on right button, go to Format Background and select background color. Go to Insert, click on Picture. Here I have downloaded a picture from Google. From here, we will select 4 pictures and insert them. Reduce the picture size. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select rounded rectangle, drag it like this. Grab the yellow dot and take it left. Go to Size and make rotation size 320. Select Picture, click on right button, cut the picture, select Shape, click on Picture or Texture field and insert picture from clipboard. And deselect Rotate with Shape. Select Outline Color. Duplicate the shape. Go to Size and make rotation size 315. Select Picture, click on right button, cut the picture, select Shape and insert picture from clipboard. Duplicate the shape, go to Size and make rotation size 310. Select Picture, click on right button, cut the picture, select Shape and insert picture from clipboard. Duplicate the shape, go to Size and make rotation size 300. Select Picture and click on right button, cut the picture, select Shape and insert picture from clipboard. Select each one and set it like this. Go to Insert, select text box, write Forest here. Select and change the font, make it bold and increase the size. Also select font color. Press Ctrl Shift and take it downside. Reduce the size, add information about PPT. And yes, here you can add different information for each picture. Select the picture, go to the Animation tab and select Fly In. Go to Effect option, select from top left. Increase duration also. Select the picture, click on Animation Painter and apply on this picture. Go to Effect option, select from left and select Start after previous. Again click on Animation Painter and apply on this picture. Go to Effect option, select from bottom left. Again click on Animation Painter and apply on this picture. Go to Effect option, select from bottom. Again click on Animation Painter and apply on this text box. Go to Effect option, select from right and select Start with Previous. Again click on Animation Painter and apply on this text box. Now click on Slideshow. So see friends, our animation looks very beautiful. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.